Hi, welcome to another episode of Eat, Sleep, Tech, Repeat. My name is Vince and today we're going to be talking about the MiraScreen wireless display receivers. So first of all, to everyone who hasn't seen this MiraScreen display yet, they're all over the web. You can find them on eBay and on Amazon, obviously, as usual. I put links in the description below so you can purchase one yourself. I think they're a fantastic tool for people who have AirPlay capabilities. It also works on Android devices, but obviously because I'm an iOS user, I'm only going to be talking about it from the iOS perspective. This is the Model D7, and the good thing about the Model D7 is it's unbelievably easy to use, it's easy to set up, and just easy in general. So watch the video on how to install your MiraScreen onto your iPad or iPhone. So the first thing you do is plug in your HDMI EasyMira dongle to the back of your TV or projector. Plug it into your mains. Then you should head on to the App Store and download the EasyMira app. You can then see the screen, and on the top right should say 0 devices connected. Go to your App Store and scan the QR code from your screen. Click join. It'll be quick, and then from there you just swipe down on the top right, click MiraScreen, select the MiraScreen device, and it's as easy as that. You can see it working really flawlessly and pretty much straight away. To turn off, swipe down again and click stop mirroring from your iOS device. So there you have it. As you can see, it's very straightforward and easy to use. Hopefully you find that useful. If you have any questions or if I missed any steps, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos from Eat, Sleep, Tech, Repeat. We'll see you in the next video.